Today, magic happened.
Today was an amazing day. We asked artists
For realists and for abstracts to come interpret stories about upcycling
diaries of the artists
on these blind screens that are built
out of upcycling, completely used things, and we really love it.
I cannot say how happy and joyful it feels seeing people being interested about sustainability and art. For me, that's like the biggest joy that can exist.
It is about using less. We are over consuming, and if you use, be mindful.
With creativity, everything is possible.